What's going on, YouTube? Alright, well, this is another riding in a snowstorm video, because I'm crazy. But we gotta go into town because I need coffee and some gasoline. And then I gotta do some plowing. So let's see what crazy things we find along the way. I'm gonna drop you on time lapse. Well, I'll do that at the end of the road. Looks like we've had probably 2 people go down this road this morning. It's just fun about snowstorms. You can drive wherever you want. Just don't do it around corners. Alright. Alright. Okay. Stop your noises. I ain't even got the snow tires on this thing yet. I was hoping the snow was going to melt away like it normally does. And then I was going to do the snow tires. But not such luck. But if we keep getting snow, it's probably going to turn to rain eventually, because it always does every year. But what I was saying is if we keep getting snow, then I'll be able to go snowmobiling. I guess they don't. It's weird because I've read a bunch of different stuff, and a lot of people say that snowmobile trails don't open until the 15th of December, and then other people say you shouldn't ride until it gets super cold and the ground gets hard. So I don't know. I guess when everybody else is blasting by me on a snowmobile trail, I'll go for a snowmobile ride. I guess I could get a hold of the snowmobile club and ask them. That's probably what I'll do. Pretty interesting. It's like I was saying the other day, if you don't like the weather, wait a minute. It'll change. But I'd rather go into Newport to get gas because it's a little cheaper. And they got Dunkin' Donuts in Newport, which is probably packed. Probably 3,000 people. Alright, we're at the end of the road. I will start the camera again if I see anything crazy. Other than that, I'm going to put you on time lapse.
Ooh, you wanna come and get me, kick me down and make me hurt myself. Oh no, you will never forget me. I'm imprinted on your heart, I swear. At times you make me angry, but I know that it could always be worse, be worse, be worse. Baby, baby, now I'm trying to forget you. Baby, I know everything that was about you. No, I'm joking, I'm looking for the bathroom. Round and around, yeah, round and around we go. Picture perfect, but so many flaws that stopped you. I don't wanna ever see you in the same room.
Alright folks, welcome to the wonderful town of Newport. The captain has turned off the seatbelt light so you can roam around the cab. So yeah, we're here in Newport. Gotta get gas and some coffee. And then we'll take the trip back and plow the driveway. For anybody that's in the area, I want to point this out to you. This is Kenny and Carrie's church over here. That big sign there that's glowing. They're having a movie on the 13th, The Journey to Bethlehem. It's for the community. So if you're in the area and you want to take your family to a movie, there you go. Should be a good time. So we're almost to the store, so I'm going to get into the store. I got to charge this camera because I haven't charged it. And then we'll get you some more footage. We'll record the people at Dunkin' Donuts for you. Don't know why, but it'll be funny. So I'm going to pull in here, get some gas, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, we're at Dunkin' Donuts. Super exciting. Would you guys like to see my credit card number? Just kidding. People are starting to come awake. The town was pretty vacant for a little bit. Now all of a sudden there's people everywhere. I'd like to be driving my Jeep today. That'd be fun. I gotta work on it. Yeah, super exciting. This is the Newport Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know why I record these things, but hey, enjoy it. Maybe now you're thinking about going and getting yourself a coffee. I'm not sponsored by Dunkin' Donuts. I should be though. Oh boy. So yeah, we took the day off so we could do some snow cleanup, and we got just a few deer left in the shop, so we should be done by Thursday. Probably done sooner than that if I just worked late one day. Alright, we're going to turn you like this so you can see as we pull up to the window.
Hello, 694. Have a good day.
Thank you. Awesome. Alright, so we successfully got coffee. So we're just going to get back through town. I'm going to take the back way home so we can see what's going on that road. And then we should be back and I'll be plowing. So see you in a bit. Well, we are now on the Ridge Road, folks. And like I said, I just recorded. I know it's a foolish video, but if you guys watch it, I appreciate it. I just like to show you what we're going through up here. Some people, it's a disaster. For people like me, it's fun. It'd be funner if they didn't plow a little bit so I could have snow to drive through. Tell you, this tundra is a freaking beast in snow. Especially if I had to study some winter force tires on, which I don't. Oh, this is one of the bridges that I magnified. I mean, metal thing. Well, all right. Well, oh, lost you. There you are. If I see anything cool, I'll get on recording. If not, then I'll see you back at the house. It's just pretty much the same thing. Alright, so we've come up to a car. They were just sitting in the middle of the road. The camera wouldn't turn on, so I could show you. Now they're going. I didn't know what they were doing. I thought I was going to have to push them. Snow's pretty thick on this end. I think they're scared. Of course, the windshield's gonna nail this up. Well, I'll have to get out and fix it. I need new windshield wipers. Onward to infinity and beyond. Oh yeah, I'm getting some pretty good snow though. That's good. Alright, we'll see you back at the house when I plow. Well, that was interesting. I didn't have the camera rolling, but I was going up the big hill from Plymouth, and the whole truck went right sideways. It was fun. Got my adrenaline pumping a little bit. Made me know I was alive. It's hot enough to breed a sheep in this truck. Yeah, this is where I grew up, playing in the snowmobiles with me and my buddy, riding up and down the road. I gotta get sand, but I'm gonna probably do that later, because wait for them to get these roads cleaned up a little bit. Alright, we'll see you in a minute. And welcome to Plowing the Driveway with Aaron. If the camera stays there, we'll be going. Yep, I'm gonna have to make a trip to go get some sand. So we need it. I don't have a holder for my camera, so enjoy the ride, folks. Enjoy the ride. This is the part where if you go too fast, you get stuck right here. But not me. basically just scraping it off now, and it's going to snow more. I'll plow it again later. There. I guess now we're gonna go get some sand. All right, well, I went to the sand shed and got sand. I was gonna record it, but I totally forgot. But this is Route 69, and it looks like it might have been plowed once. The rest of the roads didn't look too bad on the other side of Etna. But we got the sand. I'm gonna go back to the house, and I'll sand the driveway eventually after the snow stops and I finish plowing. But this is what's going on. It's a snowstorm up here, and it's supposed to snow, I believe, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday too. So should be interesting. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got a meat shop video coming probably tomorrow, so wait for that one. And I appreciate everybody, and we'll see you next time. Keep on naturing. Peace.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough